Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for PowerShares QQQ Trust. The report was first published on our website February 4, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video, we give you the information you need to know about PowerShares QQQ Trust for the upcoming trading day on Monday 7th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price-to-earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current PowerShares QQQ Trust performance to better understand where the ETF is right now. In our systems, the PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF currently holds a -0.641 score, and our system has ranked PowerShares QQQ Trust Hold Candidate since February 4, 2022. Over the next few days, we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for PowerShares QQQ Trust, our last headline reads, PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF upgraded from Sell Candidate to Hold/Accumulate after Friday trading session. The PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF price gained 1.26% on the last trading day, Friday, February 4, 2022, rising from $353.55 to $358.01. During the day the ETF fluctuated 2.68% from a day low at $351.97 to a day high of $361.40. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.8% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -6 million shares and in total, 85 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $30.60 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $408.71, and the lowest price was $297.45. Right now the price is 12.4%, or $50.70, below 52-week high at $408.71, which also is all-time high for the ETF. The PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the ETF, but first the trends. The ETF lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -10.03% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -15.05% and -2.79%. The 12-month trend indicates a 22.36% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 17.49% and 43.77%. This equals a price between $420.62 and $514.71 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section, we will give you some information about signals found for PowerShares QQQ Trust. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 27, 2022, and so far it has risen 4.96%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the ETF giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $376.82. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the short-term average at $357.36. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence, divergence, holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 21 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 13 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for PowerShares QQQ Trust. PowerShares QQQ Trust finds support from accumulated volume at $353.30, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $9.43 between high and low, or 2.68%. For the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 2.48%. The ETF has a beta of 1.28. This tells us that PowerShares QQQ Trust is 0.28 times more volatile than the market. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, PowerShares QQQ Trust meets first resistance at $363.05. If you do not hold PowerShares QQQ Trust shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, PowerShares QQQ Trust finds first level of support at $353.30, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $353.52, $351.30, $347.70. Sell at $360.73, $362.95, $366.56. Our recommended stop loss is $342.43, minus 4.35%. This ETF has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 6 days ago. Is PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF a buy? PowerShares QQQ Trust holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 7th, we expect PowerShares QQQ Trust to open down negative 88 cents and start trading at $357.13. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.